Have you been wondering how you can make your own plant-based milk? Worry no more. Today I brought you this Tigernut milk recipe. This is very easy recipe you can do. This another plant-based milk that you will love to try, and it's called Tigernut milk. Very nutritious and has a lot of health benefit. Hope you get to try this. Here is this superfood Tigernut. You can see it has this six benefits, so hope you can read through it. So I soak it overnight to make it softer. So here is the ginger and the dates. I already unseed all my dates and soak it overnight. And this is coconut. So this is very good combo to make this. So now I'll be blending everything all together. So if today is your first time you're seeing my video, you're highly welcome. Thank you so much for coming around, and thank you for my subscribers and followers. Thank you for always tagging along with me. Here I added water for it to help me blend it. So this is after blending. I'll be putting it on my sieve. Make sure you use a very close eye sieve for this filtering. So here I'm squeezing everything out. So it's good to use the right mesh for squeezing out this milk out, because if you use the one that is not close eyes, it's gonna be leaking and have a lot of chaff. Well, with this is like 300 ml and it's very good. So you can see the chaff. I will still save it for another recipe, which I'll be showing you later. There is no waste with this. Okay, this is a good fiber. You can see the milk is ready. This Tigernut is one of the best plant-based milk that I like so much, and I hope you get to try it. Yes, in my country we call it Tigernut, and I think it's the general name that most people knows it for. Yeah. So I'll be transferring it into my cup. So if you're seeing my video for the first time, remember to subscribe and follow my page at Glatory Flavors. Please subscribe, like my video, comment, and please share. So I'll be covering it for it to go through my can simmer for sealing. So you can use any can of your choice for this time. I prefer to use this can for it. So it's going through my can simmer. So with this, make sure you refrigerate it. At least it can stay for 1 week, because it's natural and there's no preservative. So if you want it to stay much longer, you need to freeze it. So I hope you'll get to try this recipe. This is a very good plant-based milk. You will love it. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again on my next video. Bye.